It's from Ipsy. I think this is my lotion that I ordered. I don't know. Of course, I don't have any scissors, and I just broke my nail. But by the way, I like try something so different for my hair. I like washed it myself, and it's kind of like I'm letting it grow like the natural, because it was like kind of like natural curly when it was like wet, but I don't know. But I feel like it's not. Okay, I need scissors. Okay, I feel like I never grab my scissors before I like open a packet. Okay, oops. So I just ordered a thing of the Coco Cabana cream. It looks just like this. I already have this. I got it from. It smells so good. It's like so cold because it was like sitting on the porch and it's like cold out. But I already have this, and I used it today because I knew I was gonna get this. But now I have like a backup. The stuff smells so freaking good. And then I was gonna get this one. This is their Brazilian Bum Bum cream, but they didn't have it, so they sent me a sample of it. Okay, I think I'm gonna open it just to smell it. This one's pretty good too. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This I love this stuff. I have no idea what this. Oh, they gave me like a shampoo and a conditioner sample of it. It's supposed to have strengthening, soothing shampoo. Oh, perfect. I think I might use this tomorrow, the next time I wash my hair. But that is everything that I got. A little quick unboxing. But I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, so I just got home. Like as you seen in the last clip, before I left out the house, I got my Bum Bum cream lotion, and now I got my Too Faced, and I have a box cutter this time. It's actually my apron. But I've actually been loving wearing my hair like this. If you can tell, it's like curly and stuff. But yeah, and I love. I haven't used the shampoo and the conditioner yet. I plan on using that. I plan on using that the next time I wash my hair. So I'll definitely let you guys know if I like that. But this is like 2 separate days. So I swear I love how their packaging is just so cute. I ordered one little lip gloss, and I know they did not put. They shipped that in like one big box. I like hope they did it, cause that's like. I swear I can never get these things open. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. So you're so from Too Faced. I love that. So this time they have like little pink confetti. In the last box it was like black. So, let's see what they gave me. Okay, so it's a lot of confetti in here, oh my gosh. But anyways, I ordered some of their Too Faced lip injections. This is the Ultimate Lip Plumper. That packaging is just so cute, oh my gosh. So it just basically looks like this pretty much. I've heard so many good things about this. This smells good. This smells like strawberries. Or is that just me? No, this smells just like strawberries. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. What's this? It doesn't really burn or anything. It doesn't really like tingle. I like this. My lips look kind of bigger. Huh. But I hope you guys like this little video. Everything that I got was off of the Ipsy website. So if you are a Ipsy member and you like want it, just type in the shopper part, type in the Bum Bum Cream, and it will pop up. This stuff smells so freaking good. It smells just like coconut. This smells so good. This smells just like strawberries. Oh my gosh. It's like working a little bit. I feel my lips tingling just a little bit, but not too much. But yeah, that is going to be all for this little video. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, I am back from Kroger's. And I have a little small haul. Okay, the first thing that I got was these Lindor chocolates. This is the Napoleon Irish Smooth one. I want to try these. They look so good. So I'm like, I got those to try. And I got a thing of Advil pills for my purse to have. A thing of Kiss Nails. I'm thinking about using these tonight. And then the last thing in here is I got a thing of Trident gum. It was only $1 and it was pineapple flavored. So I figure it's worth a try, plus keep it in my purse. And then also I went to Walmart yesterday or Saturday. And then I got an armband for my arm because my shoulder's been hurting. I got that, some Girl Scout cookies, and a thing of mints. I just didn't film it because it was like only 3 things, and yeah. But I am filming on my new phone, so you're gonna have to let me know if the video quality is better or if it's about the same. It looks pretty much clear on here. This is my first time using this camera on this phone. But yeah, so I will see you guys all in the next one more time today, because I realized I didn't have any carpet cleaner, so I just got the Glade Hawaiian Breeze. I'm gonna use that in a minute. And then I got this Smart Water and a watermelon mint. Just got that just to, like, you know, stay hydrated, you know. And that is everything that I got. So now that is going to be the end for this video, and I will see you all in the next one.